If you're tired of spending your entire evening scrubbing dishes because your current dishwasher just can't keep up with a family-sized pile of plates, you're probably wondering if there's a way to actually reclaim that time. Upgrading to a full-size unit like this KOSTCH 24-inch built-in dishwasher is one of the quickest ways to change your kitchen routine. The biggest win here is the capacity. It's built to hold 15 place settings, which is a massive help if you're cooking for a busy household or hosting dinner frequently. Instead of running the machine twice a day or leaving dishes in the sink, you can fit everything in one go. What makes this model practical is how it manages that space. It features a third-layer rack specifically for cutlery and smaller utensils, which keeps your silverware organized and off the bottom rack. Plus, the upper rack is height adjustable, so if you have tall items or oversized pots, you can just slide the rack to make it fit. I also like the auto-dry feature. At the end of the cycle, the door pops open automatically to let steam escape, and a fan kicks on to circulate fresh air. It's a small detail, but it means you aren't dealing with soggy plastic containers when you go to unload the next morning. It runs at around 45 decibels, which is quiet enough that you won't need to crank up the TV while it's running in an open-concept kitchen. A few things to consider before you buy. While it's a great workhorse, remember that this is a hardwired or plug-in built-in appliance. If you aren't comfortable with plumbing or electrical connections, you'll want a budget for professional installation. Also, since it uses a standard 24-inch footprint, make sure to double-check your under-counter measurements so you don't run into any surprises during install. So, who is this really for? If you have a medium to large family and want a dishwasher that's reliable, quiet, and handles the daily grind, without needing a pre-scrub for every single plate, this is a solid choice. If you're a minimalist who only uses a few dishes a day, you might be paying for capacity you won't fully utilize. Is it worth the money? If you value efficiency and want a machine that offers premium features like that third rack and the auto open drying without the steep price tag of some of the luxury brands, then yes, it's a very practical investment. If this looks like the right fit for your kitchen, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with someone who's tired of washing dishes by hand, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no fluff appliance reviews.